Breaking news. It has been reported from satellite imagery, water escaping the Earth as though the Earth was crying. Let's take a look. It's been a worldwide upstir among scientists and environmentalists who have been for centuries predicting that this day would come when we would finally hear from Mother Earth.
Oh Lord, will you pollute me? I'm tired. I'm intoxicated. I'm dying. I'm crying. The gases you release in my nostrils from your burnings. I love you, yet you hate me. Damaging your own cells, destroying the ozone. Industrialization causing much global warming. Melting of glaciers, rising the sea levels. So I cry. Why? Why do you want to change the climate? Won't you stop? Won't you think? You're killing me! You're killing yourselves, in fact. Instead, recycle. Use renewable energy. Practice afforestation and no pollution. Be my friend, take care of me. And I'll do the same. And we forever agree.